Well, it's been a while. Been doing a lot of work, getting my stuff put back together. New floor in my trailer, new sideboards, and painted everything. But it's kind of kept me busy a little bit. We got both the sleds stored in the trailer for the summer. Grass needs cut, but we've just got, yesterday got 2.5 inches of rain. So everything is kind of wet. But got a new toy. That to add to the stable, I guess. I'm going to be getting rid of one. But that's the new one. It's a 2008 Can-Am 500. Just picked it up, 2 weeks. Was it a week ago? Yes, it was a week ago. This is the 21st of June. So, but I just finished cleaning everything. As you can see, it's pretty nice and shiny right now. And it's pretty bad. I mean, the people that had it before me abused it pretty badly. I got it for a good price, but it took me a week tearing everything apart. I had to put a new radiator in it. Mud everywhere. It was crazy how much mud was packed into everything. And I had to go through the hose, pressure washer, a screwdriver just to dig everything out and get it pretty clean. And then I got some spray that I sprayed it down with yesterday. That gives it a little bit of a shine. It's a little bit of protection. Helps it to repel the mud and water. So, but everything works okay as far as I know. When I bought it, I got it off of a guy, and he had a small yard, so I could just putz around on it a little bit. And anyway, I bought it, brought it home, unloaded it, got it out in my big yard, and found out it's only running on one cylinder. So we went through everything. Every connection was disconnected and dielectric grease was put on it. And I think the big issue was the spark plug ends. Where they plug onto your spark plug, they've got a, you turn them on, you can thread them onto the wire, and they were loose. I mean, you could just turn them either way. So I took and tightened them all up real tight, and then I put a little wire tie around the end of them and seal them off and put everything back in. I put new plugs in it, and then it ran. It ran on both cylinders. So I was happy for that. So we went through, we changed the engine oil, gearbox oil, front and rear differentials. Everything is AMSOIL, which I have found to be very good. I use that in my snowmobiles and everything. My truck, I've got that in my truck. I got to change that pretty quick here too. I'll do a cold start here. Well, it ain't cold. I just had it running a little bit ago. But turn it on here. It's got 891 miles. When I bought it, this gauge cluster wouldn't work because there's a button up here that's got a little magnet behind it, and the magnet fell out, and so you couldn't change anything. It brought up the odometer and the tach, fuel gauge, it worked, and the range selector for your shifter here, that worked, but I couldn't get it miles or hours. So I bought a new button. This had a big crack clear across it. I bought a new plastic cover, and this ring on the outside was broken too. So put that on. Anyway, let's start it up. runs really good. Idles right about where it's supposed to, about 1250. And you can see the idle right here. This is the RPM. That's 10,000, 20,000 is 3,000 RPM. So it's right around the 1250 mark. So anyway, it's a CVT drive, set up like a snowmobile. But I'll show you what it looks like with the lights lit up. It's a twin cylinder, fuel injected. So don't have to worry about a carburetor gumming up or anything such of that sort. And got my plate put on it. My sticker off my old four-wheeler put on there for the trails up in Michigan. So take it for a little ride around the yard here. Not going to get into the mud too much, so I just cleaned it up. It's nice, you just shifted the gear, you don't have any clutch. You just go. See my mile per hour work. And yeah, it's a pretty good machine now. I cleaned everything up. It's got a winch on the front of it. Buttons there. This is your two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive switch. And everything works. That's what I wanted. Because I had a four-wheeler, I still have it, Honda, but it's full-time four-wheel drive, so I wanted something I could go two-wheel drive with. And four-wheel too. And I wanted something with the independent suspension in the rear, which it got. My Honda didn't. So anyway, that's my new toy. So trying to get back doing things that I need to be doing instead of getting more toys. But anyway, it's something I've been looking for. So anyway, I bit the bullet, bought it. And so now we move on to another project. Another project, I got to finish painting the bottom of that trailer. I'll be doing that next. And we're going up to Canada fishing here in August, so I got to get busy on the truck, get the oil changed and things of that sort. So, but anyway, thanks for watching. Kind of lengthy out here. So, nice sunny day today. Sure wasn't like that yesterday. Anyway, see y'all later. Thanks for subscribing and watching.